Welcome back to Food Safety Videos. This week, we're kicking off our new series on Prerequisite Programs, or PRPs, the essential practices that keep food safe before we even get to HACCP. And we're starting with one of the most critical, cleaning and sanitation. Let's clear up a common confusion. Cleaning removes dirt, food residue, and grease, basically the stuff you can see. Sanitizing takes it a step further by reducing the number of harmful microorganisms to safe levels. Both are essential, and both are part of a strong sanitation program. If you skip proper cleaning and sanitizing, you're giving bacteria and allergens a free pass to contaminate your products. That can lead to foodborne illness outbreaks, costly recalls, and serious damage to your brand. So where does cleaning and sanitation apply? Everywhere, from food contact surfaces and equipment to floors, walls, and even drains. And it's not just once a day. Cleaning schedules should be based on risk, frequency of use, and regulatory requirements. Alright, so here's a basic 5-step sanitation process used in food facilities. First, pre-rinse to remove loose debris. Next, apply detergent to break down soils and grease. Then, rinse again to wash off all soap and loosened residue. After that, sanitize to kill any remaining bacteria. And finally, air dry, never towel dry, since this can reintroduce contamination. Okay, so use the right tools for the job: color-coded brushes, food-safe sanitizers, and, clearly labeled spray bottles. And always follow manufacturer instructions for concentration and contact time. Too strong? Well, it's a hazard. Too weak? It's just ineffective. Sanitation isn't just about doing it, it's about proving it. Use verification tools like ATP swabs, visual inspections, and microbiological testing to make sure cleaning is actually effective. If it's not measured, it's not managed. So, to recap, cleaning removes the visible stuff. Sanitizing kills what you can't see. Follow a step-by-step process, use the right tools, and verify your efforts. Cleaning and sanitation are seriously your first line of defense in food safety. Thanks for watching. Next week, we'll be diving into pest control, another critical PRP you definitely won't want to miss. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions or tips from your own sanitation routines.